Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can sell your crypto on Roqqu and how you can also withdraw your money from Roqqu to your bank account in Nigeria. Now, before I do this, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Now, as you can see, I'm on the Roqqu website and I'm going to log in to my account right now. So as you can see, I've logged into the Roqqu account, and as you can see at the top here, you're going to see your fiat balance, that is your cash, the cash you have on in your account. And then if you scroll down, let me scroll down right here. And if you come here, you will see your total crypto portfolio. So the total crypto in this wallet is 12,006 naira. And if you come to this side of the screen, you're going to see the cryptocurrencies in this portfolio. And you can see it's only ETH that is in this portfolio. So we are going to try to sell this ETH right now, and we also withdraw the money to the Nigerian bank account. Now, to sell your crypto, the first thing you need to do is go to the top of the screen and tap on buy or sell, where you have buy or sell right here. You tap on it. And then you click on instant sell. Since we are selling, you click on instant sell. But before we do that, in case you want to know how to buy crypto on Roqqu, I have a video on that. Check the description of this video for the link to that video. So let's continue. So you click on instant sell right here. And then you come and select the crypto you want to sell. So since you are selling ETH, this is the ETH right here. So you tap on it. And then right here, you enter the amount of ETH you want to sell. So right here, we are going to enter the total ETH in the wallet. So we do that, and then you come here and tap on proceed with sale. And as you can see here, confirm sale of ETH. This is the price of one ETH in Naira. And then you can see we are selling 0.0068 ETH. And then the service fee or the service charge is 240 Naira. So you are going to be getting 11,764 Naira. So just click on accept right here. As you can see, your sale was successful. Go to wallet. So if you go to your wallet, you'll be seeing your cash in your wallet. So as you can see, we have our cash right here. So in our fiat balance, we have 12,281 Naira. Now, how can you withdraw this money to your bank account in Nigeria? So you come here to where you have withdraw right here. You tap on it. And as you can see, these are different options to withdraw your money. You can use it to pay electricity bill, TV subscriptions, buy data, airtime, and so on. So since we want to withdraw to our bank account, you just come here and click on withdraw to bank account. And then right here, you enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. So let's say we want to withdraw 12,280. So you just come here and click on proceed with withdrawal. And you can see these are my two different bank accounts that I have on Roqqu. So you can choose any one of the accounts you want to send money to. And if you have not added your bank account details, you'll be asked to enter your bank account details. But since I've already entered mine, I'll just click one of the accounts and then come to where you have submit withdraw. And then you just come down here to where you have withdraw now, on top of withdraw now. And then right here, a code will be sent to your email address and you'll be asked to enter that code here. So once you enter the code, you just come here and tap on verify. As you can see, withdrawal successful. Let's go back to our wallet. As you can see, there's no money left. It's just 1 Naira that is yes. And if you scroll down, you will see you can see pending withdrawal. You have a pending withdrawal of 12,280 Naira to Wema Bank, blah, blah, blah. Then this withdrawal will be processed when we find someone from our P2P network willing to match your request. Now, don't be scared. This transaction might not take up to 5 or 10 minutes. It's going to be as fast as possible because I've done some withdrawals on this website and it doesn't take up to 5 minutes at all. So don't be scared of saying maybe your money will take long before you see it in your bank account. So that is the simple way to sell your crypto on Roqqu and withdraw your money to your bank account. In case you want to know how to buy crypto on Roqqu too, I have a video on that. I'll put the video in the description of this video. And if you want to learn how to buy and sell crypto on Binance, I also have a video on that. I'll put the videos in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.